channel Vaman Bhavan. Today we are going to discuss about benefits of Hanuman Chalisa, its chopai and its meaning in English. And if you like this video, do not forget to like it and share it with your friends. And do comment Jai Shri Ram in the comment box. So let's start first. Benefits of Hanuman Chalisa. Hanuman Chalisa is composed by legendary poet Tulsidas, who also an ardent devotee of Lord Rama. It has 4 poetic verses, hence the name Chalisa. It is widely believed that Hanuman Chalisa has some sort of clandestine divinity associated with it. Anybody can recite the godly 40 versa irrespective of the age, and after a few recital it automatically memorize. So read on to know some unknown facts of benefit related to Hanuman Chalisa. The legend behind Hanuman Chalisa: once Tulsidas went made to Aurangzeb. The emperor mocked Tulsidas and challenged him to show the Lord to him. The poet ingeniously replied that seeing Rama was not possible without true devotion. As a result, he was imprisoned by Aurangzeb. Tulsidas is thought to have written a magnificent verses of Hanuman Chalisa in the prison. It is said that an army of monkeys menaced the Delhi as soon as Tulsidas finished his oath and recited the same. When to read Hanuman Chalisa? Just know about it. The Hanuman Chalisa must be read in the morning only after taking bath. If you want to read it after sunset, you must wash your hands and face first. Among us, the Hindu, it is very popular belief that reciting Hanuman Chalisa calls upon Hanuman's divine involvement in critical problems, including those concerning evil spirits. Let's take the look some other interesting beliefs associated with the Hanuman Chalisa. To reduce the effect of Saturn, as per the legends, Lord Saturn, Shanidev, is frightened to Lord Hanuman. Therefore, reciting Hanuman Chalisa helps to reduce the effect of Sadesati or Dheya to those who are suffering due to the placement of Saturn in their kundli. Should chant Hanuman Chalisa, especially on Saturdays, for the peace and prosperity. To defeat evil spirits, Lord Hanuman, considered as a deity who helps to get rid of the evils and spirits that are dangerous. It is believed that if you are troubled in nightmares, or you should place Hanuman Chalisa under your pillow to sleep peacefully. It helps you to get rid of daunting thoughts. To pray for forgiveness. We all commit sins, intentionally or unintentionally. Rather, as per principle of Hanuman, we are stuck in the cycle of birth and death only because of our sins. Reciting the opening verses of the Hanuman Chalisa helps to get rid the bad deed done in the previous and the present birth, to destroy hindrance. Just like Lord Ganesha, Hanuman also has the reputation to removing all our obstacles. If one recites Hanuman Chalisa with complete devotion, he or she invites the divine protection of Lord Hanuman, who ensures that devotee faces no complication in life. To de-stress, reading Hanuman Chalisa first thing in the morning will ensure that your day will go well. It helps you feel relaxed and completely in control of our life. Reading Hanuman Chalisa can fill a person with divine blisses to have a safe journey. Have you seen a miniature of Lord Hanuman either dangling from rearview mirror of car or just sitting on the dashboard? What makes you popular choice for car? It widely believed that Lord Hanuman can prevent accident and ensure success of your trip. To fulfill our wishes, the benefit of chanting, listening Hanuman Chalisa are infinite and incredible. It is believed that if a devotee recite this 40 verses with pure devotion and focus, he or she gets rewarded and all the wishes come true. Regular recitation of Hanuman Chalisa bestow you with the Lord blessings and grace you with the glorious powers to gain wisdom and strength. High-pitched recital Hanuman Chalisa creates so much positive energy around you that you feel extremely lively throughout the day. It kills the laziness and the procrastination, makes one more efficient. It also cures small lifestyle ailments such as headache, sleeplessness, anxiety, and depression, etc. To gain divine spiritual knowledge, the devotee who chants Hanuman Chalisa is blessed with divine spiritual knowledge. It is believed that all those who are treading on path of spirituality get immense help from Lord Hanuman as shows them right way and help them tame their mind so that materialism could be kept at bay. To reform a person, reciting Hanuman Chalisa helps in reforming people who have fallen into bad company or have become slaves and objectionable habits. The energy that generates from Chalisa fills the heart of devotee with the positivity and the strength. To promote unity, daily recitation of Hanuman Chalisa with dedication and devotion eliminates all sorts of disagreements and argument in the family and promotes anonymity, contentment, happiness and peace in life. It removes negativity and brings harmony in relationships. To ward off negative energies, one of the versas from Hanuman Chalisa reads the Bhoot Pishach Nikat Nahi Aave Mahavir Jab Naam Sunave, which can be translated, no evil spirit can affect a person who take the name of Lord Hanuman and recite Hanuman Chalisa at the top of their voice. It removes all sort of negativity from the mind and soul of family members and bring peace and harmony within the family. Now let's start Hanuman Chalisa with its Doha, Chopai and English meaning. First Doha. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nij Man Mukur Sudhar Varnau Raghubhar Vimal Jasu Jo Dayak Falchar means, after cleaning the mirror of my mind with the pollen dust of Holy Guru's lotus feet, I profess the pure untainted glory of Sri Raghuvar, which bestow the fourfold fruits of life. Dharma means righteousness. Artha means material wealth. Buddhihin tanu janike sumiro pravan kumar. Bal buddhi vidya devu mohe haro kales vikar. Fully aware of the deficiency of intelligence, I concentrate my attention on Pavan Kumar and humbly ask for strength, intelligence, and true knowledge to relieve me of all blemishes and causing pain. Now, let's start Chopai. Jai Hanuman Gyan Gun Sagar, Jai Kapi Siti Hu Lok Ujagar. Victory to thee, O Hanuman, ocean of wisdom, all hail to you, O Kapisha, fountainhead of power, wisdom, and Shiva Shakti, you illuminate all three worlds, entire cosmos with your glory. Kama means pleasure and moksha, freedom from the rebirth. Victory to you, O Lord Hanuman, the ocean of knowledge and wisdom. Victory to you, O King of monkeys, whose brightness illuminate all the three worlds. Ramadut Atulit Baladhama, Anjani Putra Pavana Sutanama. You are the divine messenger of Sri Hanuram, the repository of immeasurable strength, through known only as son of Pavan, wind, born of Anjani. Mahavir Vikram Rangi, Kumati Nivar Sumati Ke Sangi. With the limbs as a steady of Vera, the mace of God Indra, you are the valiant and brave. On you attend good sense and wisdom. You dispel the darkness of evil thoughts. You display great bravery You are the door of great deed, and you possesses a body as strong as diamond. You care one of destruction's thought, and your presence accompanies positive deeds, ideas. Kanchana Varan Viraj Suvesa, Kanana Kundal Kunchit Kesa means your physique is beautiful, golden colored, and your dress is pretty. You wear earrings and have long curly hairs. हाथ वज्र और ध्वजा विराजे कांधे मुंज जनेऊ साजे. You carry in your hand a lightning bolt along with a victory kesari flag and wear a scared thread made from munja grass on your shoulder. Shankar Suvarna Kesari Nandan Tej Pratap Mahajagvandan means as a descendant of Lord Shankar you are a comfort and pride of Sri Kesari. With the lustre of your vast sway, you are propitiated all over the universe. You are the incarnation of Lord Shiva. You are the son of King Kesari. Your great glory is worshipped by the entire world. Vidyavan Guni Ati Chatur Ram Kaj Karive Ko Atur. You possess great knowledge, admirable qualities, and the highest wisdom. You always attend to Lord Rama's work with great enthusiasm. Prabhu Charitra Sunive Ko Rasiya Ram Lakhan Sita Manavasiya. You are the ardent listeners and always so keen to listen to the narration of Sri Rama's life stories. Your heart is filled with Sri Ram stood for. You therefore always dwell in heart of Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita. Shushma Roop Dhari Siyahi Dikhava, Vikat Roop Dhari Lank Jarava means you appeared before Sita in diminutive form and spoke to her in humility and assumed an awesome form and struck terror by setting Lanka on fire. Bhimu Roop Dhari Asura Sanghare Ram Chandra ke kaaj sanghare. With overwhelming might you destroyed the Asuras' demons and perform all tasks assigned to you by Sri Ram with great skill. Lai Sajeevan Lakhan Jiyaye, Sri Raghuveer Harashi Urulai. You brought Sajeevan, a herb that relieves life, and restored Lakshman's back to life. Sri Raghuveer, Sri Ram cheerfully embraced you with heart full of joy. रघुपति कीनी बहुत बड़ाई तुम मम प्रिय भरत ही संभाई. Sri Raghupati, Sri Ram, lustily extolled your excellence and said, You are as dear to me as my own brother Bharat. Sahas vadan tumro yash gaave, as kahi Shripati kanth lagave. Thousands of living beings chanting hymns of your glories, saying thus, Sri Ram warmly hugged him. Sri Hanuman, Sanakadi Brahmadi Munisa, Narada Sarat Sahit Ahisa. When prophet like Shankh, even a sage like Lord Brahma, the great hermit of Narad himself, goddess Saraswati, and Ahisa, when prophet like Shankh, even a sage like Lord Brahma, the great hermit of Narad himself, goddess Saraswati, and Ahisa, one of immeasurable dimension. Jam Kuber Dikpal Jahate, Kavi ko vid kahi sake kahate. Even Yamraj, god of death, Kuber, god of wealth, and the Dikpals, deputies guarding the four corners of the universe, have been vying with one another in offering homage to your glories. How then can a mere poet give adequate expression of your super excellence? तुम उपकार सुग्रीव ही कीना राम मिलाए राजपद दीना. You did a favor to King Sugriv. You introduced him to Lord Rama and consequently helped him to reacquire his kingdom. Tumro mantra Vibhishan Mana Lankeswar Bhay Sab Jag Jana. Your suggestions was accepted by Vibhishan, the brother of Ravana, As a result, he succeeded his brother to become the king of Lanka as is known by the entire world. जुग सहस्त्र जो जन पर भानु लीलियो ताहि मधुर फल जानु. Your own On your own you dashed upon the sun, which is an fabulous distance of thousands of miles, thinking it to be a sweet, luscious fruit. The sun, which stands thousands of yojanas, a unit of distance away, was swallowed by with an assumption that it was a sweet fruit in the sky. प्रभु मुद्रिका मेली मुख माही जल्दी लांघी गए अचरज नाही. Carrying Lord signet ring in your mouth, there is a hardly any wonder that you easily leaped across the ocean. दुर्गम काज जगत के जेते सुगम अनुग्रह तुमरे तेते. The burden of all difficult tasks of the world become light with you, your kind grace. राम दुआरे तुम रखवारे होत न आज्ञा बिनु पैसारे. You are the sentry at the door of Sri Rama's divine abode. No one can enter it without your permission. Benian protection. आपन ते सम्हारो आपै तीनों लोक हाकते कापै. You are alone befitted to carry your own splendid valor. All the three worlds, entire universe, tremor at your tremendous call. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. All the ghosts, demon and evil forces keep away with the sheer mention of your great name, O Mahavir. नासे रोग हरे सब पीरा, जपत निरंतर हनुमत वीरा. All disease, pain and suffering disappear on reciting regularly Sri Hanuman's holy name. संकट ते हनुमान छुड़ावे, मन कर्म वचन ध्यान सो लावे. Those who remember Sri Hanuman in thought, word and deeds with the sincerity and faith, all rescued from all crises in life. सब पर राम तपस्वी राजा, तिनके काज सकल तुम साजा. All who have victory, worship and have faith in Sri Ram has a supreme Lord, the King of Penance. You make all their difficult tasks very easy. Lord Ram is the king of all, even the sages and saints, and all his work was taken care of you by, O Lord Hanuman. और मनोरथ जो कोई लावे, ताहि अमित जीवन पद फल पावे. Whosoever comes to you for fulfillment of any desire with faith and sincerity, will he alone secure imperishable fruits of human life. चारों जुग परताप तुम्हारा, हे प्रसिद्धि जगत उजियारा. Although the four ages your magnificent glory of acclaimed far and wide, your fame is radiantly acclaimed all over the cosmos. साधु संत के तुम रखवारे, असुर निगंतन राम दुल्हारे. You are the savior and the guardian angel of saints and sages and destroy all demons. You are the angelic darling of Sri Ram. अष्ट सिद्धि नवनिधि के दाता, असवर दीन जानकी माता. You can grant to anyone any yogi's power of 8 siddhis, power to become light and heavy at will, and 9 nidhis, riches, comfort, power, prestige, fame, sweet relationships, etc. This boon has been conferred upon you by Mother Janki, wife of Lord Rama. राम रसायन तुमरे पासा, सदा रहो रघुपति के दासा. You possess the power of devotion to Sri Ram. In all rebirths, you will always remain Sri Raghupati's most dedicated disciple. तुम्हारे भजन राम को पावे, जन्म जन्म के दुख बिसराएं। Though hymns sung in devotion to you, one can find Sri Ram and become free from suffering of several births. जो सतबार पाठ करे कोही, छूटे ही बंधे महासुख होई. One who recites Chalisa 100 times becomes free from the bondage of life and death and enjoys the highest bliss at last. जो यह पढ़े हनुमान चालीसा होए सिद्धि साखी गोरी सा. All those who recite Hanuman Chalisa, the 40 chopais regularly, are sure to be vindicated, such as evidence of no less a witness as Bhagwan Shankar. Whosoever reads this Hanuman Chalisa will attain perfection. The husband of goddess Gauri, Lord Shiva, is a witness of this. Tulsi Das Sada Hari Chera, Ije Das Hriday Ma Dera. Tulsi Das, as bonded slave of Divine Master, stays perpetually at his feet and pray, O Lord, you enshrine within my heart and soul. Tulsidas, who is forever a devotee of Hari, Lord Ram, pleads you to take residence in his heart. Doha. पवन तनय संकट हरन मंगल मूर्ति रूप, राम लखन सीता सहित हृदय बसौ सुरभूप. O conqueror of wind, destroyer of all miseries, you are a symbol of auspiciousness. Along with Sri Ram, Lakshman and Sita reside in my heart, O King of Gods. Iti Shri Hanuman Chalisa. Sampurna. So friends, it was Hanuman Chalisa with meaning in English. I hope you liked it. So do not forget to subscribe my channel and do comment Jai Shri Ram in the comment box and share this video with your friends. Thank you.